Morris Garages India recently produced the 50,000th MG Hector SUV at its manufacturing facility in Halol, Gujarat. Interestingly, the 50,000th Hector to be produced was built by an all-women crew. MG Motor India has said that 33% of its current workforce comprises women, and the company aims to increase that to 50%. The MG Hector was launched in 2019 and has managed to achieve the landmark production figure in just about 2 years. The SUV is the brand's best-selling offering, and it comes in two variants, the 2-row Hector and the 3-row Hector Plus. The 2021 MG Hector lineup was launched earlier this year with cosmetic tweaks and more features. Ola Electric has announced the commencement of construction at its upcoming two-wheeler manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu. This will be the world's largest two-wheeler production plant, and the mega factory will be set up on a 500-acre site. Ola signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government in December 2020, and the land acquisition was completed in January this year. Ola has invested 2,400 crore rupees in the facility, and the construction is underway in full swing. The first phase will be operational in the next few months and will be able to produce 2 million electric scooters per year. The company's e-scooter will be launched later this year in India and will be exported as well. French automaker Peugeot has revealed its new logo and brand identity. The new lion logo introduces a new visual identity for the French car maker, and the brand says that the focus has been on minimalism and elegance. With the new logo, the automaker has moved to a two-dimensional logo and lettering in line with companies like Volkswagen, BMW, Audi and more. The updated logo can be adapted more easily on the brand's marketing materials, merchandise, social channels, both online and offline. The first model to feature the updated logo will be the next generation Peugeot 308.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.